Hello, welcome back. It's your woman Angela K.O.D. Today we are making rock buns or rockies. Come with me and let's make this rockies. We are making it with coconut and oatmeal. Come with me and let's make this delicious healthy buns. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. Thank you. Come with me and let's bake together. Come. For our ingredients, we'll be needing our oat flour, self-raising flour, butter, sugar, brown sugar, cinnamon. This is our coconut milk, the coconut milk video that we made. This is the coconut milk. This is the coconut chaff we are using. We are not throwing it away. And salt to taste. Eggs. So these are the ingredients you'll be needing for our oat coconut scones or rock buns. We start by adding all the dry ingredients to the pan. Oatmeal, sugar. The amount of sugar depends on how sweet you want your scone. We'll go ahead and add our cinnamon and a pinch of salt. You go ahead and mix all the dry ingredients together. And you go in with your butter. This is a rubbing method, so you need to rub it in. It's very important for air to incorporate in there, because we are using self-raising flour and oatmeal, and I'm not adding any baking soda or baking powder to it. The self-raising flour, it's okay for me. So you have to rub it in for air to incorporate in it so that it can also help improve it a little bit. It looks so good. You can see that everything is mixed, it's combined really well. So I'll go in with my coconut, the chaff from my coconut, guys. Look, it looks so white like snow. Combine it all together. You see how creamy our coconut milk is. This is our homemade coconut milk. If you want to know how I made this coconut milk, please check on the channel. Go ahead and add our milk and eggs. Then you mix it with your fingertips. You don't want to overwork on it, just with your fingertips like this. Let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 160 degrees on the fine section. It's ready. We'll go ahead and just put them in our muffins. Then for baking, I'm using this silicone muffin cake things for it, but you can also use tray if that is what you have. You can just arrange them nicely on the tray and bake them. just and then baking. Let's go ahead and off our oven and then remove the last part. Guys, look at this. It looks so good. It looks so good. It looks so good, guys. Look at this. The aroma here, guys, with the coconuts, the oats, makes this scone so unique and delicious. Look at this. Guys, our scones are ready, or rock buns with coconut and oats. Guys, it looks so good. Thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious scones. But if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Adios. Kiss kiss.